All right, here we come to the elevator at the Haynes Engineering Building at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. This will be a 2022 take on my iPhone 12 Pro Max. I think I did one in 2021, but why not just do it in case? Anyways, it's an Otis. Oh, that fan is terrible. Otis? Gonna be. Oh my gosh. That didn't sound good. I'm gonna go out and ring the bell. Wait for it to close, and then I'll ring it. Look how low that ceiling is. Love that chime. Hi. Back to 1. Here's your fixtures. Here's your phone. All right, there it goes. And that's it.